Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. It's time to harvest the potatoes. Getting there. You can see they are sort of drying up. This time I tried something new. I put like a wooden box. Of course it's opening up now. It's like a wooden box around it, and then I filled it up with soil. I had planted the potatoes a little deeper this time so that the potatoes have more room to sort of grow. So let's see how it works out. Well, this is like 2 weeks later. We've been having some horrible weather, on and off rain. So I just wanted the soil to dry out a bit. As you can see, all the plants have dried out completely. So hopefully the potatoes should be good inside. Let's check it out. Awesome. It's a tiny one. That's the seed potato. As you can see, it's completely rotten. I'm going to just use my hands here. I just don't want to damage the potatoes, but as you can see, it's pretty awesome ones. Little tiny ones. Awesome. This time what I did was, instead of hilling it up with only soil, I also used some grass and straw, and that helps save a little bit of the soil, and it also allows the potatoes to grow better, spread out and get bigger, because the soil is more compact. And it's not a problem because this grass later on, it breaks up like this, and you can add it into the soil and it acts like a fertilizer as well. to be careful of this taro plant that I planted. This is going pretty well too. You can see if you keep it too long, the worms start getting to it. Wow, awesome. Nice. Squeeze. Well, there you go. Just in this small little space over here, this is what I got. Nice, decent size. And these were like, waste potatoes in the kitchen. I was going to throw them away. They were about, I would say this size when I bought them from the market. And I planted about 10 to 12 these almost rotten potatoes. And this is what I got after about 3 months. Not bad at all. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this dry out a little and wash them and store them in a net bag in a cool and dry place. Awesome.